Hi, my name is Jeff, and welcome to my channel. I grow all sorts of exotic tropical fruit trees, palms, and exotic flowers outdoors without any protection in the San Joaquin Valley of California, where we get a little bit of frost and quite a bit of heat in the summer. Take a look at just a few examples of the successes growing and fruiting in the San Joaquin Valley this year. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you get all of the latest update videos. Take a look at all the fruit that I harvested from my backyard garden without any protection. They were delicious. I had some Kahala Longan, Mexicola Grande avocado, very hardy and buttery. And this is a no-name avocado that I grew from a seedling. Take a look at these Babaco papayas my wife is showing off. Champagne papaya. And then we had some grafting videos that were very successful for beginners. Take a look at those. I forced some some pineapples to fruit. And take a look at these bananas ripening on the stalk. Huge, huge avocado. I made some guacamole using these huge avocados. And take a look at this variegated pineapple. Not edible, but beautiful. Celandine plumeria, very hardy. Bananas. I had several stalks growing in my backyard. Take a look at these. These are Wilma avocados, probably the most hardiest ones that I grow. Mexican cream guavas, my favorite. My wife uses these to make jam. A big hit with her friends at church. And take a look at these Lamhass avocados from across the street. My Manila mango in a growth flush. Absolutely crazy. Take a look at them fruit Manila mangoes and jabuticabas, lychees, Mauritius lychees. And there's pineapples that I forced into fruiting. Turned out to be very delicious. A papaya growing at someone's dooryard on a main street here in Modesto. And Hawaiian pink plumeria. Also seems to be pretty darn hardy here. Beautiful hibiscus, Hawaiian hibiscus. And there's variegated pineapple flower. Absolutely gorgeous. And once more, let's take a look at this giant avocado we made guacamole with. So, if you like this type of channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, notification bell. You have a good day.